It's another beautiful morning, guys. As you can see, 13,742.35, that's my balance. As I refresh, and you see it's real and real, not fake. And today, guys, we are going to make profit trading crypto arbitrage on Binance and Binance.com. All right, let's go. So how do you get your next exchange that you will do the trading with? The first step, guys, you need to go to your browser. For example, I'm using Brave right now, and I will go on Google and put Binance.com. Okay, so this is the exchange you're going to put. This is the exchange we are going to trade with, Binance.com. Once you use Binance.com, guys, you open it, it will redirect you to my Binance.com. Okay, so this is the exchange we are going to use to trade crypto arbitrage. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice. As you can see, Binance.com has 289,000 million users, trusted all over the world, and yes, it's a regulated exchange. Okay, so as you can see on my Binance, guys, I have 249.42 USD, and I'm going to show you today how you can deposit and trade from scratch. So I'm not going to use this balance. Instead, for the sake of this video, I'm going to deposit amount on my wallet first and then trade. So I'll click on deposit first, and then I'll choose USDT, and I'll choose funding, of course, and then I'll put amount 1000 USDT, and then, guys, I'll click on continue, and then, guys, they'll give you this address. Okay, so this is your address that you'll use to deposit the amount to, and then I'll go back on my Binance, guys, and remember, always you must have enough trading capital from your Binance before you trade on Binance.com. Okay, and so I'll click on assets, and I'll click on send with on-chain withdraw USDT, and I'll long press that address that I copied there. I'll go back and confirm the address is correct, and then I'll put the the network is Tron TRC20, and amount I'll put 1000. All right, and because of 1.3 fee here, I'm going to put 1001.3 so that I can withdraw exactly 1000 after fees. And then, guys, I'll click now withdraw. Right, and then, guys, I'm going to click on confirm. As you can see, I'm now confirming, and now I'll put my passkey. Remember to always hide your passkeys because it's a confidential thing. You should know only yourself. Okay, so now the withdrawal is confirmed. As you can see, 1000.13 USDT has been sent, and you can see today the date is July of 7th 2026, guys. So as you can see, I'm refreshing, and now the next step, don't move out of this page. Take the screenshot like that, and then after taking that screenshot, guys, go back to your Binance here and click upload, and choose that screenshot, and then click done, and then click submit. Okay, so now I'm submitting the deposit, and you can see the deposit is on the blockchain and is processing live. All right, guys, and so now as we wait for the deposit to arrive on my account so that I can now show you how to make a profit, just be patient with me, and I will show you how these 1000 will make me 300 or 400 USDT in profit for a few minutes. Okay, and so, guys, now I'll go back and check whether the deposit has been accredited, and you can see my deposit of 1000 USDT has been credited, and you can see the date and time. Okay, so let me go back to my wallet. Now you can see the balance is now 1,249, and now it's time to make the profit. Remember, I deposited 1,000 here, so now it's time to trade. I'll click on the three dots again, and I will go to P2P trading, guys, and I'll click sell. We're not buying because we are selling the USDT that we just deposited. And then, guys, I'll click choose the currency is USDT, and the payment method, you just choose all methods, and amount you put 1,000 that you have deposited. And I'll scroll down here and find someone with a good rate. You can see Nomsi Dimani has 1.28, and these and that is on 1.6. Carlos Santos was 1.3. You know, 1.3 meaning if I sell 1,000, I'm going to get a profit of 300. If I sell 100, I'm going to get a profit of $30. So I'll click sell on Carlos Santos, input amount 1,000, and you can see I'm going to get a profit of 297. After fees, I'm going to get 1,271, guys. And so the next step is continue to sell order, and then I'll click on payment. I'll choose the payment method as TRC20, and I'll scroll down here. After scrolling down here, guys, I'm going to choose the payment section that I want to receive the amount. I'll choose the payment address because it's already unlocked. And the reason why you see this is not unlocked is because maybe yours is not unlocked, maybe because you need to do at least a few trades, like 2 trades, before this one can be unlocked. You need to have enough trading history, but otherwise you can always get paid using Binance Spot, and then you can withdraw to your address. Okay, so I'll now choose payment address, and I'll go back to my Binance. Now you can see my Binance balance has dropped, which to show you that I'm using real funds and not fake. So I'll click on add funds on chain deposit USDT, guys, and then I'll now copy my address like that, and then, guys, I'll now go here and paste the address, and then I'll click submit. Okay, transaction has been submitted, guys, you can see, and the transaction is on the blockchain. So now I'm going to text the vendor, hey, pay to the address provided, like that, right? So you can see the vendor has replied that he's processing it right now. So what I need to do, guys, is to be very patient at this level, and remember the trade takes about 29 minutes to end. So after 29 minutes, guys, if the trade is not yet paid to your address, you just need to dispute it and you will get back your funds. Remember, there is no scam on this exchange, and the support here is very strict, and they ban people who try to scam others. All right, so let's wait for that payment to arrive. And so, guys, it has been about 6 minutes, and you can see now the trade has paid, has changed from pending to trade paid. You can see trade paid by vendor. Okay, and you can see so now the next step I need to do, guys, I need to go back to my Binance and check whether the vendor has really sent 1271.56 USDT to my account. So let me go to my Binance and check whether it's here. Yes, guys, and you can see now the deposit is here. He sent exactly 1272, because 0.56, if you round off, it becomes $1, so that's why he sent 1272. So now the next step, guys, because I have confirmed the money is sent to my wallet, now I'll click release. Remember, if the vendor doesn't pay you, just click on dispute, and you put all your information why the vendor didn't pay you, and then the support will take that case and solve that issue. So since the vendor has paid me, now I'll click on release the trade, and now you can see the crypto has been released to him. And now I'll now put a 5-star and rating. If the vendor didn't really pay you, just put 1 rating. So now I'm going to put the 5 rating and say you are the best, and then guys I'll click submit review, and the trade has now completed guys. And that is how I have made 272 USDT in 10 minutes trading crypto arbitrage. Remember guys to always when you come on my TikTok here, let me show you. You can join my channel where I teach people for free. Here, this is my TikTok account. Remember, I do not text you first. This is the only TikTok account that I have. If others copy me, remember they are scammers. You need to run. So you will join my channel here. You click on that link here, and it will take you to my bot. This it will take you to my bot. Okay, my bot is called Wilcott. So once you go to that bot like that, you need to click on start. Okay, put like that, start. Okay, once you see start, it will send you this link. Welcome to Wilcott. Same coins, 2 platform, different price. Buy here, sell there, keep the difference. No charts, no stress, no gambling. Join the channel to learn. So now you click on join the channel, and this is now my channel. Okay, and I have over 40,000 subscribers. You can see people like my content a lot, and I have a lot of people who I'm teaching for free. And once you are in my channel guys, you can also click this link. It will take you to my YouTube channel. You can see. So this is my YouTube channel guys, where I have over 460,000 subscribers, all legit and real people learning how to trade for free every day. That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and may the God give you the energy to trade and earn passive income daily from home. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day ahead. Thank you. Have a nice month.